in their grin, but they won't face the storm they're in. They preach me kind with poison tongues. Burn your name before the song is sung. Build a gallows with retweets and rage, but I won't bow, I'll break the cage. Haters gonna hate, let them pocket the flame. They can't kill the voice, they just echo the same. Try to shut us down, tear the mic from our hands, but we rise from the silence, we still make a stand. Cancel the noise, but we amplify. The truth don't die. The truth don't die. The truth don't die. Onion burn, their torches lit. No trial, just viral counterfeit. Every word's a weapon to twist. Free speech now has a hit list. Fake outrage, moral high, while they profit off the lie. But this blood runs thick with grit. We don't fold, we don't quit. Haters gonna hate, let them bark at the flame. They can't kill the voice, they just echo the same. Try to shut us down, tear the mic from our hands, but we rise from the silence, we still make a stand. Cancel the noise, but we amplify. The truth don't die. The truth don't die. The truth don't die. The truth don't die. You want silence? I bring thunder. You want shame? Feel the hunger. You want chains? I bring war. You want me done? I scream more. I scream more. Haters gonna hate, let them choke on the sound. The more they try to kill it, the louder we pound. You can't cancel what won't open.